Hey guys, what is up? What is good? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, what is up? What is good? My name is Sharon Daniela and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please definitely do subscribe and join the Danny family. You already know what is up, what is going on. So guys, in today's video, I am here with knotless braids. I'm gonna be braiding myself, okay? This is my first time doing knotless braids and it's my first time braiding myself. So please do not judge me. As you can see, even the lines, they're not straight because I had no one to part my hair, to part my hair and all of that. But it is fine, it is cool. So what I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using 4 packs of 1 million hair and dreadlock molding cream. So I'm gonna go ahead and prepare my hair. What I'm gonna be doing here, I'm gonna be just pulling out my hair pieces, my hair, and just gonna pull that out. I don't know what that does, but I'm just gonna do it because I saw it at the salon. Yeah, so guys, please do connect with me, do interact with me. And guys, if there is a content that you would like me to try or you would like to see on my channel, please do comment down below. Do share some ideas with me. Do help me with some ideas, content ideas, or help me grow this channel. Let's grow this channel together. We're the Danny family. We look out for each other, okay? So yeah, guys, please do interact with me and please make sure that you follow me on my Instagram at Sharon Daniela 3. All right, yeah. So guys, the thing with being a YouTuber is that a small YouTuber, that is, the thing with being a small YouTuber is that you have to find out and discover what your followers or subscribers or viewers like to see. And it's really hard for me to just discover what you guys like to see. That's why I'm saying interact with me, okay? Share some ideas with me because your opinion really matters to me. And yeah, guys, so I'm just gonna be pulling my hair out, the hair that I'm gonna be using to braid out like that. And yeah, guys, the reason I decided to braid myself is that ke mo Soweto. Ha ke le mo Soweto, so the other day ke ile go Makuleng. Ha ke ya Makuleng ka fihla ka bona di-earpiece ka re yo ngwana, you could really use this for a content. Reka di-earpiece tšeo ngwana, reka di-earpiece o tla bona gore o tšwa jwang ko ntlong. And then ka reka di-earpiece ke fihla mo ntlong ka ratsa re ke hlapa moriri, ka hlapa moriri, ka fetša ka dryera moriri, ka re ke nna o ke tsena fase ke a teloga. So guys, I know these braids might not look professional or perfect, but sometimes imperfection is beautiful. Imperfection is sometimes imperfectly beautiful. You know what I mean? Yeah, so guys, yeah. I'm sorry that you guys, I cannot explain what I'm doing here. I'm really sorry that I'm not able to explain what I'm doing here, but I'm sure you guys can see what I'm doing here. So ke fihlile mo ka Friday, and then ka hwetša kuku a beile papa ya gage ka morogo wa bona. I'm not saying that I don't eat papa. I do eat papa, mara a ke ape every day wa bo, a ke ape every day, ke a change. Sometimes I eat papa, sometimes I eat rice, sometimes I just, yeah, ke a switcha wa bona, ke a switcha, ke rata go ja papa every day wa bona, lo tše tša mokgwa. And yeah guys, so a ke fihla ka hwetša kuku a beile morogo wa gagwe ka papa. The thing is, now I grew up eating brown papa. I know a lot of you guys, you like, oh, bro, papa e brownie, whatever. Now I grew up eating papa brown, le bro brown. So yeah, and papa e white, it's just tasteless to me because I'm not used to papa e white. Ke a ija papa white, mara sometimes when I'm desperate, a ke na impupu e white ya bona, ke na le impupu e brown. So I never cook white papa. I only cook brown papa wa bona. And then go gae vele re kgodisitše ke kokwane, re kgodisitše ke nkgono, ke koko. So we only eat brown papa, papa e brown. So e monate, it's just magic, okay? It's just, and it's healthy too. It's really, really healthy. Wa bona ha ke ja papa ye white, I get constipated and all of that because I guess malaga a tloela papa e white. Wa bona a tloela papa e white and all of that. So guys, yeah, but there is a difference between the kind of life that I'm living alone and the kind of life that I live when I'm in Soweto, and the food too. They're different, okay? They're really different. A ke le mo Soweto go jwa makako. Wa bona re ja makako, re ja dikota, re ja disphahlo, re ja chicken feet, wa bona, all of that, wa bona. So ha ke le mo ke dulang, ha ona lo tšeo tša gore nka tsamaya ka ya ko strateng ka reka di-chicken feet, ka reka kota, whatever, wa bona, eo ke morogo, ke thelela ka acha le papa e brown. Guys, stop, you better stop, okay? And here is what I eat when I'm at my place. Yeah, ka switcha and all of that. So it depends with what I'm feeling on the day or what I feel like cooking. So yeah, in Soweto guys, yo, ke rekile le maskopas because gale ke feletše go ja maskopas, so ke rile ke namela taxi ya ko Braids, ke nametše taxi ya ke tla ka mo Kia, ke ya Uber because Uber is really expensive. So ke nametše taxi ka vela ka re tsa re keng tsena mo taxi rank o reke maskopas ya gago baby girl, ka reka maskopas ya ka ke na ke dessert, you guys ka di jela dessert ya ka maskopas, and I really, really enjoy it. After that ka nwa metsi ka re ra leboga re jele ga monate le kgono. So yeah guys, that's my braids there. You see, they're not really bad. I mean, they don't look professional, but next time we're gonna do better. They really look bomb for a first time. I mean, they really look bomb for me at least, okay? So you guys, ke fihlile mo ka Friday like I said before, mara ke fihlile ka fologa ko di-steps ko Braids, wa bona, ka re di-steps, and then a kry di-steps ka tsena mo spa, ka fihla ka tsena spa ka kgopela cashback. Ha ke kgopela cashback, obviously ko spa o tshwanetse o reke something gore ba kgone go fa cashback, wa bona. So ka reka something and then ba mfa cashback, ka tsamaya ka fihla ka namela di-steps again ka ya ko godimo ko renkeng ya ko Soweto. But before that ka re tsa re keng re ke reke maskopas, ka reka maskopas, and then a ke fetša go reka maskopas ka tsamaya ka fihla ka tsena ka mo renkeng straight, renke ya go ya Soweto, and then ka ya mo di-taxi tša Midlands di namediwang teng. And then ke fihla ka hwetša this other guy ke street kid nyana, so and then ha re sister re ntle le 2 rand, and then ka mmotša gore ga ke na 2 rand, and vele like I didn't have 2 rand. Big tshwere tšhelete le pampiri wa bona, big tshwere tšhelete le pampiri, and I didn't even have 10 rand. Big tshwere bo ma 50 rand go ya go godimo wa bona. So ka re a ke na 2 rand, a re o na manga, ka re a ke na 2 rand, ko re atamela mo gaufi le nna, like ne ke sa nagana le gore like after gore ke responde mo yena gore a ke na 2 rand, I didn't even think that he would come next to me or approach me, because ngivele ngathi angina 2 rand, and then I looked away wa bona gore ke kgone go tsena ka mo taxing. And then this guy wa fihla, like yo, he caught me off guard, like guys, I kenya monwana ka moanonaka, like guys, I'm traumatized, like guys, I cannot get over that. I cannot get over that. I am so traumatized right now, guys. Yo, I can even still taste like yo, guys. Get traumatized, like yo, bafethu, like no, I cannot. Yo, guys, yo mudimak, yo kore I didn't know gore ke direng. I didn't know gore ke direng, but fa go taxing, they literally like laughed. Gore wa tsa re keng, like ba yo bafethu, like ba ntshegile, like from Joburg, from Bree to Middlelands Sanders, guys, like yo, the thought of it nje, yo guys, right, yeah, like yo, bafethu, like I'm not feeling well, okay, it's fine, mara yeah guys, ke nna o ke ripa di ends, and then I ke fetša go ripa di ends, ke tšhela di like ke tseba gore le di bitša eng tsona tšeo, di beats, whatever, yeah, ke tšhela tšona, and then ke nna o ke tšhela di beats, ha ke fetša go tšhela di beats tša mentšhese, ke a di tshuma gore like yeah, gore di stick and all of that, ke di kenya ka hara metsi a go bela gore like di ends di tswe di ends on all of that. And then ha ke fetša ke berekiša dryera ka re gore ke feleletse tše di setseng di ends, and that's my braids right there. Again guys, I had no one gore a tlo ntšeago video ke dira di turn around and all of that, because I forgot my tripod, but it's fine. I'm sure you guys can see gore my braids are bomb. Yeah, hold on. DIY queen. Okay, I am killing this thing. Di botsana mara la di bona, mara a di botsana bafethu. Mo ne ke tswa ndo fire ke tswa reka umbrella, because yo wa fisha mo wa fisha. So ne ke tswa ndo fire. And yeah guys, thank you for watching this video. So guys, please make sure you subscribe. Thank you, bye. Hey guys, I'm feeling my new braids. I feel like, what the heck? What? Are you kidding me? I can't believe it. Like, snap. That's so beautiful. Amazing. Amazing braids. Amazing.